welcome back. This is the part 2 of ChatGPT prompts, which is specifically for the researchers. And in this part 2, we will also see how to write your content or your article or your thesis or your synopsis better. Probably this will be useful for those who are doing their BE, that is for the students as well, like final year project or the MTech, ME, BSc, MSc, those who are planning to write their project. This will definitely help you out. So watch till the end because I'll be telling you the important aspects to consider while writing the prompt. And if you have missed the part 1, so please go and watch it in my channel so you can find it. This is Gomes Tech Talks channel. This is my channel. So here you can find a lot and lot of videos which will help you in your research journey. Just scroll down to the playlist, so you can find the playlist called All About Research. So this is the playlist which will definitely help you in your research journey. And also I have another important playlist for the researchers, that is unpaid SCI Scopus Index Journal. So this particular playlist is also useful for you. And for the students, you must watch this Skill Up playlist. So here you can find the information about the free courses, internship opportunities, job opportunities, everything here. And if you're looking for any specific or one-to-one consultation about your career, your research, your any interview preparation tips, resume review, mock interview, don't forget to check this. So this link will be available in the description. So let us go to the topic here. So today I'll be specifically talking about how to improve your language while writing it in the article or even in your thesis or the synopsis or anything. Okay, I'll be discussing 5 important prompt which you should use while writing the any like dissertation, thesis, article, anything. Okay, so watch till the end. If you want the part 3, that is for the presentation, if you are preparing for the doctoral committee meeting, if you want that how to enhance your presentation, please comment like part 3. Okay, so let us go to the very first prompt. So before that, I would like to give you some show you some paragraph. Okay, this is my paragraph. So in this paragraph, there are a lot of errors, like mistakes, grammar errors, and even this is not a proper professional letter, like professional wordings. So of course we will not be typing like this, but unfortunately while typing fast, so we may get to make some errors. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm going to instruct chat gpt to just rewrite this paragraph in an academic language. So it's very simple. Just tell ChatGPT, rewrite the below paragraph, okay, in an academic language. Just press enter. So what it is going to do is, what it is rewriting your paragraph in an academic language. So if you are writing an abstract, okay, so you can just write whatever it's there in your mind. You can just type the a sentence, copy that sentence, come back to chat gpt and ask it. It will give you the professional and academic wordings. So it is showing you the perfect paragraph for you. Even if you feel like, no, I don't want this, I want even more better, so you can tell rewrite. This is not the second prompt, okay, this is the first prompt. Rewrite this paragraph, the rewrite it even more better as a PhD scholar. Okay, so whatever, if you are an MPhil scholar, if you are doing your memtech, if you are doing your whatever it is, so you can just tell, you can ask it to act like something, like as what you have to, it had to, like you can tell how it has to write it. So you can find it has written many things for this. Okay, so if you need the prompts, okay, I will be posting my prompts here. This is my blog. You can also find my blog in the description. Don't forget and don't hesitate. So I'll be posting the blogs here. So this is the part 1 blog. Once if you click here, you can find all the prompts which I have discussed in the part 1 video. So just scroll down and find your prompts here and what is the usage, even that I have added. Okay, So yes, let us come back to the prompt 2, which we are going to discuss now. So the thing is, what you can just so you have imagine that you have some errors. So this is my original paragraph, right? So if you feel like you have errors in this, okay, so what you can do is what, correct the grammar and spelling mistakes in the below paragraph. So you don't need any specific tool for your grammar corrections or the spelling mistakes or anything. So simply you can just tell correct the grammar and the spelling mistake, okay, and then just enter. So it is correcting your grammar, it is giving you the spelling mistake, and of course you can tell that even more better, okay. So this is the second prompt, okay. So it has corrected the grammar, it has corrected the spelling mistake, and it is giving you the output for you. Okay, so let us go to the prompt number 3. So the prompt number 1, which we have discussed, is what, rewrite the paragraph in an academic language. Second one is correct the grammar, and you have to paste the paragraph. Okay, the third one is, so you can tell sometimes, in your thesis you cannot write it in a active language, or even you cannot use any pronouns like I, you, we, etc. So you can tell that, can you improve the above paragraph in passive language, in passive language. So in the passive language, okay, so we are asking that to improve the above paragraph, or can you rewrite? You can also tell like, can you rewrite the above paragraph in the passive language? So just give, it will rewrite it in the passive language, or else you can also tell, I don't need any pronouns. Okay, I don't need any pronouns like I, we, they. So I'm just telling I don't need any pronouns, so it is again rewriting it for you. So we have discussed, so far we have discussed nearly how many, like we have discussed nearly three prompts. So the first one is rewrite, okay, the second one is correct the grammar, and the third one is, can you improve this paragraph. Fourth one, so you can tell, act as a language expert. So you can tell to act as a language expert, and proofread my paper. So if you have the that is a pro account in git in ChatGPT, you can upload your paper. I will show that in the part 3. Okay, so don't worry, if you want to see how it works, I can show you in the part 3. So now, as of now, you can tell, you can copy and paste the section wise, like introduction you can copy and paste it, and the um, abstract you can copy and paste it, and references you can copy and paste it. So if you have your complete paper, and if it is in, you have the chat gpt in a pro account, you can always upload it and see that. If it is not, you can copy section wise, like every section separately, and ask the chat gpt to proofread it. That is also possible. So I'm just going to tell, proofread my paragraph. So I'm going to tell, proofread my paragraph, and I'm just copying this paragraph. Okay, just copy this paragraph, control C and then control V, and then just press enter. So what it's going to do is, what it's going to proofread it, and it is giving me the different one. Okay, of course it has created it, so it will not show much changes, but as it has given some more changes in that particular thing. So this is what the important prompt. You can tell chat gpt to act like something. So you are giving a role play, act as a proofreader, okay, act as something like, act as a content writer. Okay, so there's the prompt number 4 we have discussed, and the prompt number 5, in the context, okay, I'm just setting the context here, in the context of computer science, okay, research domain. You can also specify machine learning, um, translate the paragraph. So I'm asking it to translate. Sometimes, you are supposed to translate a specific sentences or a paragraph into English, sorry, into Tamil or Hindi or Malayalam or Urdu, so whatever the language it is. So you can just tell the paragraph, okay, and you can just bring it inside the double quotes in order to tell ChatGPT that the double quotes, that is which paragraph it has to translate. So within that double quotes, into which language? Into the Hindi language. So I'm just telling, change it into Hindi language. So what it's going to do is, what is going to change it. So it started with diabetes में मिशन लर्निंग पर शोध को एक महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्र माना जाता है. Yeah, it is just complete. This is writing it completely for you. You can copy that and paste it here. Or else if you wanted to make it into any other language, as I told, so if you wanted to make it into any other language like Urdu, or any other language like Tamil, okay, or even Punjabi, so whatever whatever the language it is, so you can tell that language, so it will convert it and give it to you. You can simply copy that and paste it over there. So this is how ChatGPT will help you to improve your language and make your content even more powerful. So we have discussed five important prompts, and I'll be posting this prompt in my blog. If you have missed this, if you want to see that, so I will upload it soon within this week as a part 2. Okay, so in the part 3, I'm planning to give you some prompts which are related to your doctoral committee meeting preparation, like presentations and everything. So if you really require part 3, please comment that. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next video.